The wastelands. What are the wastelands? They are an expression from the Avalonian legends of King Arthur, where the land becomes barren, infertile and lifeless, as a reflection of the wounded state of its masculine. This comes about through a failure to uphold the balance of the land. For us today, it symbolises a disconnection often seen in the lost generations of younger men, a state of spiritual and emotional desolation, and even disassociation from themselves and all of humanity and all of nature. This is a wound caused by a disconnection from deeper life-giving forces. In the legends of old, the king's wounds are a link to the masculinity that need healing for the fertility and the balance of the land that needs to be restored. This is a healing quest. Seekers of the Holy Grail have been embodied into your psyche. This quest symbolises sacred union with yourself first, and a reawakening of your health and vitality. Do you feel disconnected from your emotions? You may have had a traditional upbringing which expected you to be stoic, repressing your feelings and emotions. This disconnect can lead to your own inner wasteland, where your feelings aren't felt or acknowledged, which can lead to a lack of empathy, understanding, and connection to others, especially the feminine. And toxic masculinity. This arises from the wasteland. Toxic expressions of masculine dominance, aggression and control. These ways of being arise up from fear and insecurity, and they can lead on to harm to yourself and harm to others. It can lead to lifetimes of cycles of violence, isolation, and suffering. Within the wastelands, there's also a loss of purpose. Within you is a lack of sacred purpose, your soul's vocation, knowing why are you here? Why are you here now on planet Earth? Misaligning your masculine energy cuts you off from your divine role, disconnects you from meaningful lived life experiences, which can lead to deep-rooted feelings of emptiness, alienation, and lack of fulfillment. These are the results of the wasteland. Understand them, and then quest on to find the healing key for you.